Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It is Monday, November 30th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You had a pretty quiet close to November, which ended up being relatively a quiet month altogether. Grains didn't want to move a whole lot in either one of those directions. It seems like the trend is lower, but not much lower, and it seems like any rally is capped out for now. There shouldn't be a whole lot of news to finish off the year. Corn closed up about 5 3/4 higher, beans up 8, and wheat was mixed. And so Kansas City led the way higher there, and you know, it really wasn't based off any news out there, so you might just be having managed money come in and get closer to par on their positions. Really, there wasn't anything else out there to indicate. It looks like the rain models are favorable for South America, so that would put pressure on beans, but they were able to stay on the positive side of things. Meat market was a little bit of a different situation. Live cattle down $2, feeders down 3.5, lean hogs down about 80 cents. Lean hogs were able to hold in there. I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that you're coming into Christmas time where you're going to have a little bit more demand out there for hogs, and so that was one thing to note. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot, with crude near steady, slightly lower. It actually faded into the day. It was higher majority of the day. The dollar was slightly higher. One thing to note is that dollar is really creeping up there. You know, you didn't have a strong day today, but altogether, if it stays where it's at, it's really going to hurt that export demand, which is lagging already for corn and wheat. So that could put some pressure there. Overall, not a whole lot moving forward. Limited news. We'll have to see if cash does anything this week to give the meat market a little bit of a direction. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.